Hey, welcome, Mr. Watson again. What we're going to do today, series parallel boxes. So here's the slide explaining what we're doing. So what you're going to do with these boxes, these are a set of boxes where you have to not determine what's in them, you have to determine the connection types between the items in the boxes. So what are the items in the boxes? Well, it's really, really easy. Here it is. Just like some of the other ones, I'm not hiding anything. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. These are 270 ohm resistors, so each box has 3. They're right on top. What you're trying to determine on these is not what is in them. I told you what's in them. You've got to figure out, how did I hook them together? That can be incredibly hard. Or in my perspective, incredibly easy. All right, here's the possibilities. You could have the resistors not connected together at all, completely independent, just like this. They could be connected in parallel, like this, where on both sides, run a wire straight down, connecting them all together like that. They could be in series, where I hook the wire on one side, hook the next one on the other side down to the third one. Or they could be a mixture. 2 of the resistors could be in parallel, the third could be connected in series. Those are the possibilities. So how do you figure it out? Here's how. Take the multimeter, set it to resistance, and then here's how you go for the boxes. It's really, really easy. Go across the resistor like this. And so, let's see what you get for a reading. I got 267. That's pretty close to 270. I got 268. That's close to 272. So far I just been reading the value of the resistors. Third one, 267. So this particular box, I read the value of the resistor, all 3. Now, when you get this, you get close to 270 on all 3. The one and only time you want to do this, you want to go long ways on a box. And you're just seeing if you get a reading at all. Look at this. I'm getting, it's in there. I'm essentially getting the values that are there. There we go. Close to 540. 540, what happens to be, if you hook 270 resistors in series, you'll read 540. So if you go long ways and read anything, this side I'm reading the resistors adding. This side would be close to 0. Yeah, 0.4, close to 0. Well, that means this box, the resistors are connected. They're connected in series. Let's check another box. This next box, once again. Oh, look, I got close to 270. The third one's going to read 270 because okay, this one, now I want to go long ways. And, oh, look, it's reading OL. That means there's no connections going this way, which means this box, those resistors are independent. They are not connected to each other. Let's do a third box. Okay, this one I got around 135. I'm going to get that on the middle resistor too. 135. I should get 270 down here. So what's going on here? Well, because I got 2 readings of around 135, here's what we got going on. This is a mixture. 2 of the resistors are in parallel. 1 is in series. So why are we reading 135 ohms? Because according to Ohm's law, when you hook resistors in parallel, if they're the same value, the value you will read with a multimeter is the value of one resistor divided by how many are in parallel. 135 is 270 divided by 2. Ooh, magic. Okay, last box here. Yeah, I get my, not the one I wanted. And we get our last box here. Trying to find the other type example. There we go. Close to 90, 89.4. And it's going to read that on all three of these. So what is that? That's a fully parallel box. All three of them are connected together in parallel. Some more of that magic math. You know, remember, when they're connected in parallel, they're all the same value. It's the value of 1 divided by how many are in parallel. 270 divided by 3 is, well, 90. Hey, this is really magic. Okay, that's how you do the lab today. What you got to do after that is on the lab sheet, it's just you write it has the box numbers, and you just put a check by which type of box it is. That's all for now.